Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin here just before the daily candle close. Maybe we'll get a bit more volatility sort of in the next half an hour to an hour around the daily candle close. But yeah, I think ready for the weekend. I mean, we still have another day, but still getting close to the weekend. We are here in a corrective wave pattern. And I'm starting to think this could become quite a long period of sideways movement, especially looking at the length of the wave 2 down there and knowing that a wave 4 can always be a bit boring. This could become something quite boring. I mean, I'm still of the view, that we had the wave 3 that peaked here and now we are moving down in ABC. It's still possible and there is no real right or wrong here. We will really ultimately only know in the past, and to be honest, it also doesn't make a great difference. The wave 3 could have also finished here. We had that scenario before, and then we had an A, B, C. A bit ugly here. A, B, C, and you could argue maybe that's a larger A wave, and we're now moving up in B. That would be B. Could even become an overshooting wave B, and then we will move down in ABC to finish off the C. That's certainly a possibility, but it wouldn't make a great difference from how I had the wave 3 sit here. I adjusted the support area here to 18,650. I think I did that in the last video already, didn't I? Or I did it, I'm not sure. But I did that just to account for the uncertainty that we have. Did the wave 3 sit here or did it sit here? We need to be a bit flexible, and therefore I've extended slightly the support area to account for both options. Because what I don't want to do is to give you a support level below which this pattern is probably not going to hold, and then $20 below that is suddenly recovering. So we need to be a bit flexible here and allow for a deeper retracement. However, in 4, my preferred option is still that we go a little bit deeper into that green support area, which is based on the Fibonacci retracements of that third wave, and depending on where the wave 3 sits, that moves a little bit. So start certainly here 20,400. That's the key support, was touched already in this scenario. Next key support would be 19,625 and then 18,994, and then we can go down to 18,650 basically, based on fibs. Yeah, but below that level, really, I think we have a substantial high in place, and we will come down and continue the bear market with a high likelihood. That is still my view. And also bear in mind that in this green support area, we actually have the 200-day moving average. I think it's actually disappeared here from my chart. I actually don't know why, so let's just add that again. Remember, we recently broke above this 200-day moving average, and we are currently holding above it, so we're not just breaking below it quickly again. So we should have it on the chart now. No, I made a mistake here. Need to choose daily chart, time frame, daily. There you go. Yeah, it's sort of here at 19.5k, that 200-day moving average. So I wouldn't be surprised to, come back into the support area, hit the 38.2 fib level, which is sort of in that region, and also retest from above the 200-day moving average for ideally one more wave here to the upside. That's still my view. No change to that. These targets up here for the 5th wave in green will change a little bit depending on how low we eventually go. At the moment, I have them sitting at 23.77k and 25.7k. We'll see. This next move up could either finish off this larger ABC pattern that we've been working on since November now. So A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. We don't even have the C wave complete. And then we could break down and continue the bear market. That is absolutely still very, very, very much possible. But what we'll do when we reach up here, I will give you a support area that is relevant, because this could also be in an alternative count a 1, 2, 3. And of course, nobody knows, do we get this 4th wave or not? This would be a 4th. If we can hold the 4th, we'll get another 5th of the higher degree. And then we have 5 waves up. And that would be a good confirmation or indication that the bear market low was in. But it's really only the first confirmation that we need as Elliott Wave analysts, because then afterwards, this should finish off this wave 1 or this wave 5 of 1, and then we should come down in a larger ABC pattern, ABC, to hold a wave 2 support. That will be the second confirmation that we need to confirm the bear market low was in. And that means if we get this fourth wave, hold support here, of course this would be a tradable area for a long trade in 5. Then we should get this wave 2. This would be the next long trade opportunity down here, and possibly, and it's way too early to talk about that really, or to confirm it, but if we get there and we hold support and the bear market low is in, because this would indicate it, if we hold this area, which I can't really give you a target for yet, but it could be around the 19k area, sort of, depends on how high we really rally. If we get that yellow fifth wave, then we might never see those prices again. So that's why this will be a very, very, I cannot pronounce it or focus on it strongly enough. This really will be a key area, not only for a decision if the bear market low is in, but also really this might be a price area that we will never see again. Because if the bull run starts after that, I don't think we may never come to 20k back again. So I'm just saying, not saying it will, but if we get there and hold support, this will be critical. So I will certainly be, don't want to say go all in, absolutely not, but I will scale up quite a bit in that area. And until then, we can take it level by level. Just need to see if we can get, if the bulls are capable of holding that fourth, then we should certainly get that fifth. And that might take us to whatever, 28, 29, maybe even 30k if it goes wild. So that's why I would be very careful with short trades at the moment anywhere, because we have a trend short term at least. We haven't broken above the previous high here, or have we now? Don't think we have we? Let me check. Oh, we have actually. Yeah, so that means I actually need to change the higher degree count here, which I need to do. So we talked about that we could just easily move that wave 4 here, and that means we have an A wave here, a B wave here, and we could just be rallying in that C wave now to the upside. Yeah, so it's a bit fluid now, that structure, so we need to be flexible here with that, depending on what the lower level waves now do. But certainly this could easily just be a C wave to the upside, which is why 5 waves alone won't give us the clue if the bear market low is in, because a C wave is consisting of 5 waves. But this count would suggest that afterwards we will still come down, because it's an A, B, C. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in wave C. Or wave 1, but this will only become clear if we hold wave 2 support. So it will be very interesting. I am going to keep you updated, as you know, about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.